now it's kind of funny knowing that they don't work. I won't wait as long next time. Well, I mean, now I won't press it anymore. Now I'll just go with the locals.
Yeah, I didn't know they didn't work. I just keep hitting them until it turns, and then eventually it does. So I assume there's some causation there.
It takes so long. Yeah. It's very inefficient.
But I guess that explains why people just kind of just dart out across the streets.
Yeah,
we drove in and I realized very quickly this is a city where pedestrians have absolute authority on everything.
I wonder if I should press the button just to see if it helps us. So plenty of times probably would have just jaywalked.